Here are two lost passport questions I received as recently as today. If I have a copy of my passport, does it help to make the process easier? No, it does not. If your passport is lost, you are not expected to have a copy or have the passport number. So that does not help the process. That also means that if you don't have it, it does not affect the process at all. I get this question all the time. I don't know my lost passport number. Can I still get a passport? You absolutely can. The next thing I get is, I have lost my passport. I'd like to renew it. If your passport is lost, it cannot be renewed. If it is lost, it's a replacement. The distinction is very important because if it is lost, you have to report it to the police and you must have that police report with your application. It is also important to note that a lost passport replacement costs significantly more than a renewal. And in many cases, it will take longer because an adult passport can be renewed in up to 4 weeks, but a lost passport will take 3 months or more. And it does not matter which consulate or embassy you use, and it doesn't matter what country you live in. The process is going to be the same. It is going to take more than 3 months. This is always surprising for everyone because most of us are familiar with having a 3 days, next day, same day, or a 7-day process in Jamaica. You do not have access to that overseas, so get on your passport now. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thanks for watching.